Hello guys, welcome to the session. This topic is all about input function in Python. So this function first takes the input from the user and convert it into a string. This type of return object always will be a string format. So take an example for it. Example, okay, let's say x equal to input enter x value and y equal to input enter y value. Right. So if I will run this, it will ask me first the enter a x value, then it will ask me again enter y value. If I run this, it will ask me the enter x value. Let's say my enter x value 10 and enter y value that is 5. If I run this, it will give me the output enter x value this is 10 and enter y value that is 5. So if I will check the type, then it will give me the output is a string because always input that give me a string format by default. So let's say print type of x type then x, then again also can copy and paste here, changing the y and changing here y. Okay. So if I will print, let's say run this, it will ask me the type 10 and 5. Run this, it always give me the in the string format. Okay. So if I have to change the type, so I have to do a type casting, and I already told you in the last session how to do type casting. So go and watch that video. Okay. So here I'm going to change the as a type casting. So the type casting means whenever you want to change one data type to another data type, this is called type casting. So in this topic, I'm going to change the typecasting in x2 and y2 my variable. So always do typecasting before the input function. So the input function, I changing the string to integer here and also alright. So here I'm printing x2 and also y2. If I same run this and my sorry, okay. So let's say that is 10 and that is 5. Give me that is x that is integer and also give me an integer. So forget to that is this is my x2 and this is my y2. So run this. It again it will say me 10 and that is 5. It give me that type of this is my integer and integer. Alright. So if I'm going to add say for example print add here let's say sum of two number that is x plus y. If I add the sum, then it will add the as a string concatenation. As I told you in the last session, how to do a string concatenation. That string concatenation work. Then add the string to string. Let's say it will run this. If I will say 10 and 5, the output will be my 105. That is 105. Okay, so the sum will be my 105 because this is the typecasting of string to string. How this is work. And I told you that how the string concatenation work in the last session. So go and watch that video as well. So in this, if I'll do the typecasting, so not typecasting, that concatenation of x2 and y2. Let's say sum of my x2 plus y2. So it will give me the output that if I will enter, let's say uh, 10 and 5, it will give me the output 15 because as you can see that type is 15. So because the class is integer format and integer format, the x2 my integer format and y2 also my integer format. So as I told you that in the first session, so that when we can add the integer format to integer format, not to the string to integer or like integer to another data types. So only I can add the only number to number values. Okay. So here that is the string to string concatenation. So it will add the string that is first value and then the second value. The second value will be after the first values. Okay, so this is how the string concatenation work, and this is how the integer concatenation work. That is, you can add simply that work as a summation. Okay, so this is the input function work in Python. So if you have any doubt, then ask me in the comment section, then I will clear your doubt. So next topic we are going to talk about the condition statement in Python.